The serrations are gone. Okay, now what we'll do here, just to finish them up, again, this is the quick way to do things. Take one of these edgers, sharpeners, 2, 3. There you go. That one's ready to go. There you go. Now once you're done with these, just wash them, give them back to the neighbor, customer, your wife, or put them away in the drawer. Pretty sharp. Obviously, this handheld sharpener does take off a little bit of metal each time you go over, so it takes off the rest of those depressions from the serrations. And there you go. Sharp knives, they're done.